Well, welcome back. Let's look at parallel and perpendicular lines. In an example, if we are asked to find the parallel and perpendicular lines, what are parallel lines and what are perpendicular lines? The parallel lines, if two lines A, B, and C, D are parallel, then their gradients are equal, meaning gradient 1 is equal to gradient 2. But if two lines AB and CD are perpendicular, then the product of their gradients always equal to -1. This means that gradient 1 times gradient 2 is equal to -1. This is the concept that you must understand very well. Let's have an example on this point so that we may understand well these things. Okay, example. Find the equation of the line which is question A, parallel to 2x plus y equals 3 and passes through 0, 1. Then question B is saying perpendicular to 3x plus y equals 5 and passes through -2, -1. Okay. Fine. If we are given a question like this, then we are asked to calculate parallel to 2x plus y equals 3 and passes through 0, 1. What are we going to do? If we are given a question like that, what we are going to do is this. Since this equation given, writing it into a straight line, it will be a y equals -2x plus 3. Therefore, our gradient in this case, on solution A, our gradient will be -2. Clear? Then, our y-intercept, C, it is 3. Okay? Once we do this, then we are able to find now the line which is parallel to this line. And doing that will be very, very easy. So, what are we going to do? Since our gradient we have -2 and our y-intercept 3 we have. Therefore, let us work out the equation which is going to help us to find this thing. Okay? So we are going to have y minus y1 equals gradient, open bracket, x minus x1. Well, on this equation, 0 and 1, our 0 will be our x1 and our 1 will be our y1. So this one is the x1 and this one is the y1. So what we are going to do is y minus 1 is equal to gradient is -2, open bracket, x minus our x is 0. Well, y minus 1 is equal to -2x plus 0. Well, therefore, the equation will come out as y is equal to -2x plus 1. So, this is the equation which is parallel to to this one. So this is it, the way to calculate. This is the way to calculate question A. I hope you understand this one. Let us have also B. Since our question B is like this, they want the perpendicular line. So using this one will be y is equal to negative 3x plus 5. Well, so our gradient of the first gradient, in this case gradient 1, will be negative 3. Okay? After understanding that our gradient 1 is negative 3, therefore to work out the second gradient to prove that it's a negative, it will be gradient 1 multiplied by gradient 2 equals negative 1. Therefore here is negative 3 multiplied by gradient 2 is equal to negative 1. Therefore this one dividing both sides negative 3, even here negative 3, it will be gradient 2 will be 1 over 3. So for us now to say, find now the equation of the line which is perpendicular to 3x plus y equals 5 and passes through negative 2, comma negative 1. Now we are going to find this one as simple as even straightforward. Well, let's do this now. We have the equation of the second line. Okay. Knowing that this equation was passing where the second one perpendicular to this was passing at negative 2 and negative 1, negative 2 comma negative 1, these were our coordinates. Therefore, what we are going to do for us now to work out this one, we will say y minus y1 equals m open bracket x minus x1 cross bracket. Therefore, this one will be our x1, our y1. Therefore, y minus open bracket negative 1 cross bracket equals our gradient, which is going to be used on this point, is this one which we calculated here. So it will be 1 over 3 open bracket x minus our x1 is our negative 2 here. Therefore, y plus 1 equals 1 over 3 x plus 2. Therefore, it will be y plus 1 equals, this is going to be 1 over 3 x plus 2 over 3. After doing this, y is equal to 1 over 3 x plus 2 over 3 minus 1. So a whole number is over 1. Working out this one, we'll do this. Working out this one, 2 over 3 minus 1 over 1. Common denominator 3. 3 there is 1 times there is 2 minus this one will be 3 times 1 is 3. So 2 minus 3, it will be negative 1 over 3. Therefore, y is equal to 1 over 3 x minus 1 over 3. So doing this, it means that we find now the line which is perpendicular to our given line. Okay, so this is our perpendicular line to the line which was given as 3x plus y equals 5. So this is the way to work out B. Okay, follow me again.